Welcome back. Boy Scouts of America say there's a decline in abuse allegations since the 1970s and 80s, but the youth organization continues to find ways of bringing awareness to the Scouts. Fox's Jackie Heinrich reports.
The Boy Scouts of America taking steps to prevent sex abuse, announcing a new awareness program that uses the power of animation to communicate with kids, aiming at teaching children how to identify potentially abusive behavior in addition to tips on how to deal with it. BSA providing the cartoon-style videos to more than 1.2 million Cub Scouts across the U.S. after vetting them with both the Cub Scout-age children and their parents. However, health experts say just showing the videos to kids is not effective enough.
It's really important to have a live dialogue with the children by a trained professional who can think about who those specific children are.
Boy Scouts prevention videos in the past featured real people, but this time the organization's initiative shows a series of 6 animated videos targeting children from kindergarten to 6th grade. Each set features a boy and girl having a dialogue about their experience in abusive situations, along with explaining the Scouts' protect yourself rules they followed to avoid getting hurt.
If one peer tells another peer that they have in fact been maltreated, I think that's a conversation that would need to be continued further.
The initiative follows a flurry of sex abuse lawsuits stemming from the 1960s. BSA says there's a decline in abuse allegations since 1980, reporting 5 abuse cases out of over 2 million youth members in 2018, and giving credit to prevention policies that were put in place in the 80s. The cartoons were developed between 2015 and 2016 by the Barbara Sinatra Children's Center, a nonprofit organization in California that specializes in helping abused victims. In New York, Jackie Heinrich, Fox News.